Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get contacts from Gmail to iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and try to import a contacts number from your Gmail, so in this video I will show you how to do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, now you need to scroll it down, and here you can see the option of apps. Click on it, and here is the option you can see contacts, and click on contact account, and here you can see Gmail. If you have added any Gmail, then no need to worry, you have to go back, and if not, select add account and select Gmail Google, and here you need to sign in your Gmail here. And guys, after this your signed Gmail will be here. As you will see, I have signed in also, but I have changed my password there, therefore it's showing re-enter password. But guys, when you have add any Gmail here, then you will see these tabs, and here the tab that is contacts, you have to turn it on, and after this all the contacts will be imported to your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.